So I-League thing is over with this ceremony, no?
Yeah, it is over. Yeah. We even got over earlier, and after the cash decision, which ruled.
That concludes our trophy presentation ceremony. On behalf of the All India Football Federation, we thank our dignitaries, the teams, our sponsors
After
and
case order,
partners, the
everything
local
is settled.
organization
Yeah, as
committee,
of now,
and most importantly,
earlier
the
there
fans
was an
of the
order to give it
beautiful
to-
game. Thank you for joining us this evening. Good night.
Earlier, the order was to give it to the appeals
Churchill.
committee and the court to give it to Churchill. We gave it. Then the same evening, the CAS order came. So then further, it went to CAS. The final order has come, and they've declared Interkashi as the winners. And so based on that, we've just given them the trophy.
Okay, so today morning Churchill brothers Churchill has taken the press conference. Said original trophy is with him and matter is still pending. He's saying.
No. See, I mean, I have not seen the press conference. I have not seen the press release. But they're entitled to what we say. But we followed the rules, whether it is the disciplinary committee, the appeals committee, or CAS, or the courts. We just followed orders.
For
throughout.
football, CAS is a final.
Yes, it is. It is the ultimate, and even since we are tied by the FIFA charter, this one is the ultimate. So we can't go against this thing. Maybe if they get an order and it proves this thing, then at that time we'll see.
Okay.
As of now, there is no. As far as the CAS verdict is concerned, it's unchanged.
Final. So any effort will be done to get the trophy.
Yes, we've already written to them, and then they've not. They've also given some reasons. But now we'll go. We'll consult the legal team. We'll do all which it takes to get back the trophy.
Okay. And it will be handed over to this team.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, let this thing happen, because whatever the legal team says, we'll do accordingly.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.